Hi everyone, it's Greg from Pixelbuddha and I'm here to show you how to use WordPress effect in Adobe Photoshop, which you can apply to your shots and images to make them look vintage and incredibly engaging. And first, we should open the folder with the effects and install the action. Double-click will do the trick. Now, let's get back to the folder, and as you see, there are 5 different effects. To see how they work, we can check the previews for each one. Look through them and choose the one you like best. Then double-click on it to open in Photoshop. By default, we have a square artboard. And if you prefer portrait or landscape, click Windows Actions. As for me, I have Actions panel right at hand. So, we should choose the orientation depending on which one fits your image better. For example, I prefer a portrait one. Choose it and press play. Looks amazing! Now we will add the image. To make it happen, I've created a smart layer which I've obviously called Paste Your Image Here, so you won't get lost. Double-click on it to add it and choose the layer Add Your Image Here. I've already prepared the image, so I just drag and drop it to the artboard and click OK. And we should simply save the smart layer by pressing Command S or Ctrl S on Windows and close it. Here is the image. Zoom it to see the details. Already looks nice, right? What we do next is choose the size of our effect. Here on the layers panel you may see small, medium and large effects. By switching them on and off you can choose the effects you like best. For instance, I've checked all 3 of them already and I'll go with the small, I think. Moving on, we have an image to color if we don't want it black and white. We have 2 options. The first is to fill an image leaving the black lines. So we switch on this layer and open its color settings with a double click. Now we can play with it, choosing the best solution. And we have a second variant, gradient map. I have some pre-made gradients that I switch on with a double click and pass to editing the gradient. And you can choose any solution you like, or have. Or you can change colors yourself. Well, there's a whole bunch of possibilities actually, and you can experiment the way you want and do whatever your soul is craving for. Just remember to press OK to save when you're done. Next, once we've chosen the gradient map, let's pick something more attractive. We can change our image in general. For example, make it darker or lighter. We open our smart layer for that and there are 2 options, add white or add black. By adding one of them, we can brighten or darken the effect that we'll get in the end. We can also increase or reduce the opacity. Just play with it to see what makes the best look. You may even choose 2 options at the same time. Just leave what you like most. We've done a great job already, so let's not forget to save the image. Do you see it's a bit different now? Click Command Z or open the History panel and check the modifications of the smart layer there. Also, it's possible to create an alternative style of the effect. Simply hide the layer, which is called Hide This for More Black, and add more black to the image. Therefore, we can just reduce the opacity and choose the variant we need. That's how this superb effect works and looks like. When you're completely satisfied with the result, press Layer, Flatten Image, OK, and save in the format you need. Let it be JPEG. Click Save and choose a suitable quality. And we're done! Here is the image we've created. Thanks for watching, hope you'll enjoy WordPress pack as much as I have. And if you got stuck, feel free to let us know in the comments and we'll sort it out together. Don't forget to press like and subscribe to our channel.